Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. I just got a new camera, so we're going to be unboxing that, and if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So I got this bundle deal from Amazon. If you guys are interested, I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below, and we're going to start with the first thing that I got in the box, which is a digital sleeve flash. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to open and see how it looks. So this is what came in that box, and this is to hook up on, probably on the ring light, so you could put on, I don't know, we can find out. I don't know. So that's the first thing that came. Then we have this from Vivitar. This is the filter kit. And if I can get these boxes open. So this is how it looks. It came with a little pouch, and as you open in, you see they have 3 filters in it. So we'll look at the first one. This one is like a dark, I don't know if you can see, let me open it. So this is the first one. I don't know if you can see any difference, I don't know, but this is how it came. This is the dark one. Then the next one is a clear one. Yeah, this is a clear one. And this last one, this is a dark one too, or slightly darker than the clear one. Okay, so the next thing I see in here, I think this is to put on the camera, like to hold it, the camera strap. Yeah, this is the hand grip probably. I don't know how you connect it though, but we'll find that out, don't worry. So probably to hold it, I don't know, something like this, and this goes at the bottom of the camera. The next thing we have in here is a multi-memory card reader. So this is how it looks. Oh, I forgot to say, the only thing that I did not get in this bundle, which was supposed to come, was the camera bag, but I'll have to contact the seller or something, because yeah, I pay for that. But this is this. The next thing that came is a SanDisk SD card. This is a 32 gigabyte. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, 32 gigabyte. Next thing, this is the 58mm telephoto and wide lens, angle lens, sorry. And I'm going to open it so you guys can see. Oh, so this is how it came in the box. Got the separate baggies. So the first one, photo, I don't know which is which, so I cannot friend. I don't know which is which, but this is how it's supposed to look. And this is the front part, and if the back will come off. So that's this. And the next one is this one. This one says, oh, this is the wide angle lens. This one. This also came, this is the digital camera accessory kit. It's a cleaning kit. So in here it just says it has 1 screen cleaning fluid, 1 microfiber cleaning cloth, a mini flexible tripod, 2 universal screen protectors, 1 6-slot SD card wallet and 5 cotton swabs. So this is everything that came in here. If we can get it out. So yeah, the tripod, cotton swabs. This is the universal. This is the universal screen protector. And the cleaning supplies, the SD card holder, and just the solution to clean the lens with. So this is the best part. This is what I was waiting for. You know how long I was waiting for camera? You know how, you understand. Okay, so this is my baby. This, I didn't been so long. Anyways, so I actually got the Canon T7i, but I got the international version, so it's going to say 800D, but it's the Canon T7i. We love to see it. Now when I open the box, the first thing that comes inside, as you can see, is like, this is the manual, the charger cable to charge the camera. And as we open, you can see, yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. I think this is the, yeah, this is the, what's called this now? Battery charger. So you can see the Canon battery charger. This is the actual battery. It also has the camera strap that you actually connect to the camera, and then you put it over your neck. I'm going to open so you can see. Right, so this is the strap, so it's going to connect to your camera. I ain't got y'all waiting because I was waiting long. So the last thing I'm going to pull out is the actual camera body, and this is the lens. So this is the camera lens. This is the 18 to 55 millimeter camera lens. Open here, this is how it looks. I think this is a zoom lens. Yeah, this is a zoom lens. Let me see if it's a zoom lens. I don't know. Oh, yeah. So this is a zoom lens. I also bought one more lens. This is the 50. I think this is the Canon Nifty 50 lens. Yeah, I bought this one separate from all of this bundle. I think this was $125 US. I think, yeah, $125 US. And this is just the normal 50 millimeter lens from Canon. And the last thing you're gonna put out is the actual camera. All right, so this is it. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna pull it out. You don't you don't know how long I was waiting for this. It's light and it feels so nice in my hand. I can actually, like, who you know. So when you open it, this is actually a flip out camera. That's why I wanted it, so when I do my videos I can see myself. When I do my videos I can see myself and I won't have to use my phone. I actually started recording on my Samsung S9 Plus, so that's why I'm recording off of right now, and that's why I actually got this, so I can have something else to record on, because my memory on my phone wasn't sufficient for these videos, so I had to get something new. So this is it, and I'm going to show you with the lens on now. Okay, so I think you have to match up the weight up to here and then lock it in. So this is the actual camera. Oh my gosh, I was waiting so long. But yes, this is the actual camera. And let me put in the battery to see how it works. So the battery goes right in here. And how do you on? Oh, the on button is up here. I was looking for it just now. And it's just on. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. So this is a camera that I bought. This is the T7i. As I said before, if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave the link that I got this camera from Amazon. If you guys are interested, it's going to be in the description box below. And I'm also going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison from my phone that I'm actually recording off of right now and this camera, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is a side-by-side comparison of the Canon T7i and the S9 Plus. So this is how the video looks. I don't know if you guys see any different. I have to play with the options a little more so I could get a better, I don't know, picture. So as I get a little better, the quality will improve. Will change my white balance and my other little stuff later on, but this is how it looks right now. I like it. Yeah. If you have made it this far, I just wanted to thank you so much for watching my videos. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any time that I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video.